In this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. Let's go through them one by one. Method 1. Using the side button plus volume down. Classic method. This is the most common and oldest method. Just press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time. On your Samsung device, the power menu will appear. Tap power off and then tap power off again to confirm. Your Samsung phone will now shut down. This is the easiest and fastest method. Method 2. From the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down again to expand the quick settings. At the top, you'll see the power icon. Tap the power icon, then tap power off, and tap power off again. Your phone will turn off. Method 3. Using Google Gemini or Bixby. On the latest Samsung S26 series, the side button launches Gemini by default. You can long press the side button to open Gemini, or say, "Hey Google," or "OK Google." Then simply say, "Turn off the phone." The power menu will appear. Tap power off, then tap power off again to shut down your device. Method 4. Change side button to show power menu. By default, long pressing the side button launches Gemini. But you can change it back to the power menu. Swipe down from the top twice to open quick settings. Tap the power icon. At the bottom, tap side button settings. Under long press, select the power off menu. Now, when you press and hold the side button, the power menu will appear instantly. Tap power off, then tap again to turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26. So these are the 4 ways to turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. That's it.